Hey guys, it's Caitlin Morris. I teach technology at Signature Premier Properties, and today we have another kvCORE tutorial for you. kvCORE is our tech platform and it's free for all our agents. So today I'm gonna just show you a quick intro video how to update your profile. So when you first get on kvCORE, really important you have your profile updated because it's tied to your website, and also if you send out any mass communications like emails, it pulls that info from your profile. So really easy to do. All you're gonna do is click on your name in the top right corner, and then from this drop down, the fourth below, it says My Profile. So just click into there, and then from here, you're gonna click on Edit Profile. Fill out all of this information. Click here to upload your profile picture. Pasting in your social media links here isn't gonna sign into your social media account or post anything for you, but all it's gonna do is now on your website, you'll have a icon in the top right for Facebook, Instagram, whatever links you put in to make it all connected. And then continue to put in this information, your About Me section, that's really important. And right below it, your email signature. Mine's not that filled out, but below it, it has this switch, include signature on all outgoing emails. So if you switch that on, every time you send out an email from kvCORE, it'll include this email signature. And then just below it, it says credentials, background, education, experience, but right above it, it says the items below will not be displayed on your website. They're for information purposes only. So that's not important at all, like all this stuff. There's really no point of filling it out, but if you want it for your own records, you can, but that's not going anywhere. So just important, email signature, About Me section, social media links, picture, email, the basics. And then just make sure you click on Save. Also in here, there's a few quick things. Daily call task creation. In the top right, under Show Notifications, it'll show all of your tasks. If you have this set up, mine are off, but I think the default is on. If you set it up to auto-generate calls for a certain status group like Sphere, you can click in on Edit. First, it'll ask for the statuses to generate calls for, the number of calls, and the time to send email. That means every day, like if I say I want it to send tasks for 10 people every day in my Sphere, every single day I'll get 10 notifications to call these people. So that's up to you. I keep it off because I like to use tasks in a campaign and I don't want it telling me to call random people, but that's up to you. It's a really good way to manage your follow-up, and if you download the kvCORE app, it's just kvCORE in the App Store, you can get those notifications on there as well. So yeah, just make sure you click Save, and that's how to update your profile. If you have any questions about Signature or our technology, send me a message.